Hello guys, in this video we will see step-by-step unlocking characters, weapons, skins in Duet Night Abyss. Beginner to advanced will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of beginning your journey story. Starter unlocks. Content to begin unlocking characters and basic weapons in Duet Night Abyss. Prioritize completing the main story campaign and following all initial tutorial quests. These foundational quests automatically introduce you to core gameplay mechanics and grant your first set of playable characters along with their default weapon types. Many essential starter weapons, such as basic swords, catalysts, or firearms, are provided as guaranteed progression rewards, ensuring every player has a functional team to start with. Focus on advancing through the early chapters to expand your initial roster and combat capabilities. Step mastering manifestation. The Gecko system for core unlocks. Content the primary method for acquiring new and rare characters and powerful weapons, often referred to as echoes or resonators, is through the game's manifestation Gecko system. Accumulate manifestation tones or equivalent premium currency by completing daily commissions, weekly challenges, story milestones, and even participation. Utilize these tones on various manifestation banners, such as character focus or weapon focus banners. Understand the pity system, which guarantees a high rarity unlock after a specific number of pulls, allowing for strategic saving and spending of your manifestation currency.
Step B. Engaging with events. Seasonal limited time content. Participate actively in Duet Night Abyss, rotating in-game events to unlock exclusive characters, unique weapon variants, and rare skins. These limited-time events often feature dedicated quest lanes, challenge stages, or unique currency shops where specific items can be exchanged. Event-exclusive rewards are typically obtainable by completing event objectives, achieving certain scores, or accumulating event-specific tokens. Regularly check the event schedule and maximize your participation during these periods to acquire items that may not be available through other means. Step is strategic progression. Battle Pass world exploration rewards. Content leverage. The Battle Pass system, both free and premium, tiers for consistent unlocks progress through Battle Pass levels by completing daily and weekly missions, which reward character and weapon upgrade materials, manifestation currency, and frequently unique character skins or weapon cosmetics. Beyond the Battle Pass, thoroughly explore the vast open world of Duet Night Abyss. Discover hidden chests, solve environmental puzzles, and complete world quests, as these often yield valuable manifestation tones, unique cosmetic items, or currency that can be spent on shop items. Step Premium Acquisition. Direct shop purchases, exclusive bundles, content for guaranteed acquisition of specific desired items. Utilize the in-game shop. The shop offers direct purchases of unique character skins, weapon skins, and occasionally character or weapon bundles using premium currency, which is typically acquired with real money. These premium offerings bypass the randomness of the manifestation system, allowing players to directly obtain cosmetic upgrades or powerful items. Keep an eye on limited-time shop promotions and special bundles, as these can provide excellent value for new releases or highly sought-after cosmetic items.